Unpacking the phrase, low stock, a guide for English learners. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into a phrase that you might come across while shopping online or planning to buy something: low stock. This term is common in the retail world, and understanding it can be very helpful. If you've ever wondered what it means when a store announces they have low stock, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the mystery together. Low stock refers to the limited availability of a particular item. When a product is in low stock, it means that there is a small quantity left before it runs out entirely. This term is a heads-up for customers, indicating that if they're interested in purchasing the item, they should act quickly. The phrase is often used in both physical and online stores. In physical stores, you might see signs or hear announcements. Online, it could be a banner on the product's page or a note in your shopping cart. Low stock can also imply that the item won't be restocked soon, adding a sense of urgency for the buyer. When you encounter low stock as a consumer, it's more than just a statement about quantity. It's a nudge to make a decision. It can also affect the product's price, sometimes leading to a price increase due to high demand and scarce availability. As a language learner, understanding these nuances is key to grasping the full meaning of the phrase. Let's see how to use low stock in a sentence. I wanted to buy that camera, but it's low stock everywhere. The store has low stock on the latest smartphones. Due to low stock, we're limiting purchases to one per customer. These examples show common ways the phrase can be integrated into everyday conversation. And there you have it, a complete look at the phrase, low stock. Now when you see this phrase, you'll understand the urgency behind it and the potential impact on your buying decisions. We hope this video has been informative and adds to your growing English vocabulary. Until next time, keep learning and happy shopping.